guys. Good day. Let me say good afternoon because afternoon right here now. Um, my name is Mohammed Bukola. Okay, I'm the fashion creator of BK Fashion Manual, also known as PFM. Okay, it's an upcoming brand, anyways. So I decided to make this like simple tutorial. Let me put it as simple tutorial. Okay, and it's not really that long. Okay, it's about having neat seams on your English gowns, your English dresses, whatever, and also having with even with the seam, like you having a neat seam and also being able to adjust dress easily. Because the thing is, there's some kind of sewing that you'll be like, how am I going to adjust this dress if there's any issue with it at the end of the day? Okay, well, there are ways you can actually go about that, and still yet all of your sewing will be inside. Okay, it's going to be inside, especially when it comes to the sewing of the darts and every other thing. Okay, so there are ways you can go about it, even sewing your princess dart, your normal straight dart, and every other kind of sewing. Okay, everything will be inside. Okay, the only part that probably you might want to weave, okay, it's probably the armhole side, as if you want it like that, or maybe the down requires you to weave it without you turning it in with your lining or whatever. So this the video that I'll be playing soon is about neat seams. Okay, so just I need to be very attentive when watching it. Okay, and I know you're going to get a lot of things, so please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like this video. Okay, subscribe to my channel so you can get more updates on whatsoever I drop here. Okay, so thanks for watching. So now I'll tune into the video. So I'm trying to, what I did here was that I sewed that first for the lining. Okay, I see the inside for the lining. You can see the two that has been sewn. So next thing was that I took the fabric, the crepe fabric. Although I've already marked the dart points down already. Okay, I'm just showing you how to turn it in. So I sewed the two darts too. I picked the place I marked, and I sewed the two darts too inside. You can see I didn't sew it together. I didn't sew the fabric and the lining together. I made it separate because I knew I wanted the two darts to face each other. I don't want it to show inside even after turning it inside. You get what I'm saying? So I just want the darts sewing to be inside, and still yet I wanted an allowance by the side. I wanted where it would be easy for me to adjust the dress. So now this is sewing the dart for the fabric. Now I'm done with sewing the darts, and this is how it is inside for the fabric. Okay, so the next thing now is to place the lining on the fabric. You understand? So by the time you're placing your lining on the fabric, the right part will be facing the right part of the lining will also face the right part of the fabric. You understand? So by the time you turn it inside, you have what you're actually looking for. Just watch what I did here. As you can see, yes, this is the right side. It's facing the right side of the fabric too. So then you can also you sew the neck. But first, before even sewing the neck, because I wanted to actually turn it in with the lining, I'm not going to lift the down part or anything. So the first thing I did was to join the lining with the down part, that's the edge. So join it there so I can have my accurate measurement, because the lining measurement is shorter than that of the fabric. Okay, so now I'm going to join the down part. Yes, that's where I notched. That's my allowance. So I'm going to sew it like, yes, I'm going to sew it straight before, and I'll take you to the neck part and join together. Okay. Okay, so now I am done with joining the lining to the down part, and so I will be sewing the neck first. I sew the neck first before, as you can see, that's my little allowance. Okay, so I will sew the neck first. Then after the neck, I can now join the lining to the both sides. You understand? Just to turn it in so that I won't have my seam allowance or my sewing showing outside. All right. So this is, I'm going to join the neck first before the sides. Okay, so now I am done with joining the next side, and so I can join the two sides. So the thing is, I don't join my armhole. No, I prefer sewing like that than weaving it inside. I don't really like turning it in. Well, I just prefer that as a person. I don't really know about any other person. Okay, it's just everyone has their own preference. You understand? You can decide to turn your own in, and by the time you are turning yours in, please do not, make sure that the measurement you have there is smaller to the actual measurement of the armhole, because if you actually put the real measurement of the armhole before you turn it in, then you're going to be having a bigger armhole. You understand? So make sure that you calculate your measurement very well before deciding to turn it in. Okay, that's just it. But I prefer sewing it like that, joining it to the sleeves like that, then weaving it inside. Okay, but I can decide to turn in the body. Yes, so that's me. So now I'm joining the two sides together like this. This is just, I'm using the front part now, the front bodies for example. Okay, I'm not going to sew the back side because I mean it's going to really really take a lot of time showing you all of that. But the same process is also for the back. The first thing you do is to sew your darts first, because that is really what will make you join the lining to the body. Okay, so if you sew it that separately, then you can also the zipper allowance, then you sew the neck side, and also you join the two sides together before you add your zip and everything, then join it to the shoulder and all of that. So this is, it's just a very simple process anyways. So I'm done joining the sides, the down part, everything. I'm done joining everything to the fabric. So now I'll just notch the neck part. Okay, I'll notch the neck part. So this is me turning it outside, and this is what we have at the end of the day. As you can see, the dart and also the inside, you can see this is actually what I wanted. Okay, that I don't really want the swing showing even after turning it. You understand? So this is just how it is. Okay, so that's just the end of the video, and I hope you actually got something from it. All right, so next again I'll be dropping another video on a skirt, how to make a pencil skirt with a side flare. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping a tutorial on that one very 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 soon. Just stay tuned, and please once again do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also drop a like for me. Thank you. You can also drop your comment. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Bye.